This is Joseph Waring reporting at the ICT and CTO Forum in Auckland, New Zealand. This morning I'm joined by Barry Lerner. Barry is Huawei CIO for the South Pacific region. Thanks for joining me this morning, Barry.
Thank you for letting me talk to you today.
Why is it so important for operators to have a cloud strategy going forward now?
Well, today more than ever, there's a lot of disruptive technologies out there. Regulations are changing. All of a sudden there's a bunch of smart devices out there. And the phone companies are trying to look at, how do I fill my pipes? How do I increase my ARPU? How do I take advantage of my infrastructure? So one of the things that they're seeing is cloud. It's giving them the opportunity to go after the SMB market, the enterprise market, where they can start to make more and more offerings. They can bring in their machine-to-machine clouds. They can do higher level of services to cloud offerings.
What value can Huawei offer operators as they move into these cloud services?
Well, Huawei sees everything as holistic, all the way from one end to the other end. So what we do is we come in and we look at it from a bottoms-up approach. We understand that you have to go after the enterprise market, and in the enterprise market you'll have several industries. There's 7 or 8 vertical industries. These industries are starting to merge. We support them with our machine-to-machine, our RCS offerings, so that when we look at it, we give a whole holistic view to satisfy the industries.
What are the main challenges operators face as they move into the cloud deployment?
I think the major challenge they're facing right now is that they're going from a traditional phone company to an IT company. So therefore they have to change the way they work. They have to become more IT oriented. Their organizations and their strategy have to change so they become more of a technology company.
Can you tell us about Huawei's single cloud offering?
Yeah, Huawei looks at it, again, like I said, it's a holistic approach. We look at it, we have a whole complete service, we have an infrastructure as a service offering so that we have our servers and our storage. We come up a level to the application where we utilize our SDP, our rich communication services, and our machine-to-machine platforms to give a totally integrated solution. At the SAS level, we have already worked and we have alliances and partners, so our offering is a completely integrated solution that you can think of it almost as a turnkey.
Moving into the cloud can be fairly CapEx intensive. How is Huawei helping operators overcome that barrier?
Okay, Huawei has several business models, probably about 9 different business models. So we look at it that it's an investment on both ends, not only for Huawei, but also for the service provider and even for the SAS, the application people. So what we do is we took again a bottoms-up approach. We look at the service provider. They have to maybe we'll utilize their data center, their electricity and things like that. So we kind of change the model all the way from the infrastructure up to the next level, where we look at SDP, machine-to-machine, and we try to maybe do a joint revenue share is one of the possibilities. Another possibility is if we have SAS vendors, we might have a 3-way split. There's so many different ways of doing it that we couldn't take this time right now to go through them all.
Thanks, Barry, for joining me today.
Okay, it's been a pleasure talking to you.